Hello lovely kids. All are fine? Okay. As you know, I am your Rinkal Miss. Welcome back to our today's computer class. Children, as you know, we have started our chapter 5 Introduction to Scratch Programming in our last class. Now today we are going to learn how can we download Scratch offline editor in our computer. So this way you can download Scratch program in your computer, and whatever we will learn you can practice at your home. So let's start our today's session, which is about how can we download Scratch program in our computer. So let's start. Now children, here you can see on the screen my computer screen is there. If you want to download Scratch offline editor in your computer, you must have internet connection in your computer. Then and only then you can download Scratch editor online. Now first of all, click on Google Chrome browser and open it. Any browser you can use, but here I used Google Chrome browser. Click on it, it will open. This is main screen of Google Chrome browser. Now here it is address bar. In address bar you have to type the website link of MIT Education. The link is https://scratch.mit.edu/download. Let's repeat it. https://scratch.mit.edu/download. This link I will also give you in this video's description box, from where you can copy it and download the Scratch. So here this is Scratch website, MIT Education's official website, and from here you can download Scratch offline editor. And we can also create projects online. For that you have to sign in from here and join Scratch. After joining Scratch you can create online projects in this website. But we want to download the editor, so go down in this website, down. At the bottom you can see here written is older versions. In our textbook the version is Scratch 2.0 offline editor. So we are going to download this. So click on it. It will open offline editor page. In these three options are given. But we want to download Scratch offline editor. Okay. In that, below that, operating systems are given. My operating system is Windows. So I click on download button of Windows operating system. Click on it. After clicking on download button, you can see downside our Scratch offline editor starting downloading. Okay, so you have to wait for some time when the offline editor of Scratch will download. Till then you have to wait. After this you can open and install this offline editor in your computer. Now children, here you can see at the bottom side of browser our Scratch will download it. Now click on this arrow and click on show in folder option. It will show you Scratch 461 in folder. Now double click on this and for installation. Double click. It will ask you, do you want to run this file? Yes, we want to install. So click on run button. After clicking on run button, see at the taskbar here one installation box shown. Click on this. Application installation dialog box came, and in this click on continue. It will give us two options: add shortcut icon to my desktop and start application after installation. Click on continue. It will install Scratch offline editor in your computer. You have to wait for some time because installation take some time. Okay, now half is completed. It will also create a shortcut of Scratch on our desktop also because we have selected earlier this option. Now the process is finished of installation and you can see the Scratch will open on your screen. This is the main screen of Scratch 2 offline editor. In this you can make your beautiful animated projects. Now close it and close this dialog box also. Now let's open the Scratch from Start button. So click on Start button. Then after click on All Programs at the downside. Yes, this is All Programs. Click on it. Now find Scratch 2 from this list. Where is Scratch 2 offline editor? On the top. Yes, this is Scratch 2. Now double click on it. Yes, it will open your Scratch 2 offline editor in your computer. Okay, you can maximize this using maximize button. Now this is full screen. You can make your projects here. So this way you can download Scratch in your computer. Now children, today we learned how can we download Scratch offline editor in our computer and how can we open it in our computer. From next class, we will learn how can we make projects in Scratch. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.